Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can create couple birthday moon passes on inshot app. So after you download the picture of the moon passes of your birth and your partner in Google, so just open the inshot apps and select college and select couple moonphase you downloaded and tap on canvas. Select the aspect ratio for 9:16 and add background to black background, and then you can adjust for the size of the moon and adjust for the position like so. Click check marks and just tap on save icon in the top right corner. So you can also add the text. Sorry. So here we go. Yeah. It's very simple. That's how to create couple moon passes and in inshot apps. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.